In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Remitbee in 2025. If you're looking to get in touch with Remitbee for support or any inquiries, you've clicked on the right video. I'll guide you through a variety of ways you can reach them. Let's dive in and explore the options available to ensure you get the help you need swiftly and effectively. First, open up your web browser. You're going to start by searching for Remitbee customer service. This search will lead you to the most efficient ways to contact their support team. Make sure to type it correctly and hit enter. This step is crucial as it will present you with various options directly through their site or on the results page. Now, after your search results have loaded, click on the link that takes you to Remitbee's customer care section. It should be one of the top results and shouldn't be hard to find. Selecting this will direct you to their website where they provide multiple customer service options. Once you're on their website, you'll see a variety of ways to contact them. This is your hub for customer support and guidance, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the help section. Here, they're dedicated to making your experience smooth, offering several channels for you to reach out. One of the quickest methods is the live chat option. Keep an eye out for the chat icon, typically located at the bottom right corner of the website pages. This is a convenient tool for immediate help, and usually, a customer service representative will respond within approximately 5 minutes when the service is available. It's a great starting point if your inquiry is urgent and needs a quick response. If you prefer a less immediate method, you might opt for sending them an email. Their customer care email is customercare@remitbee.com. Email is perfect for detailed inquiries or when you need to provide attachments with your questions. Expect a response within roughly 24 hours. For those who prefer speaking to someone directly, you can call their phone support at +1 647 689 2323. Calling enables real-time communication and is especially useful for more complex or sensitive issues. Their response time is typically around 15 to 20 minutes. Providing you a direct line to address your concerns. It's also important to note that Remitbee offers 24/7 support from Monday through Friday and is available from 9 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays, Eastern Standard Time. Whatever your inquiry, their staff is ready to assist you at these times. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to contact Remitbee in 2025. Whether you choose email, live chat, or phone support, Remitbee has made sure to cover all the bases to keep you connected to the assistance you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.